Air Systems International is proud to present the explosion-proof electric blower approved for all Class 1 Division 1 and Class 2 Division 1 hazardous locations, proudly made in the USA. All Air Systems International electric blowers have nationally recognized testing laboratory certifications and approvals for ventilation. This is critical to worker safety, so if you have any questions regarding the use, please contact us. The industrial-grade centrifugal blower is built to last. It comes with a continuous duty rated 3/4 horsepower explosion-proof motor that is rated for outdoor use. For added versatility, Air Systems has included a hardwired explosion-proof on-off switch for all explosion-proof blowers. For increased safety, Air Systems equips all hazardous location blowers with a static grounding lug to remove the static electricity. The blower features rust-free aluminum non-sparking fan blades. These fan blades provide superior performance compared to plastic. The squirrel cage produces high flow and high pressure, allowing for lengthy ducting runs. Air Systems International produces everything with worker safety in mind. The revolutionary design of the roll cage frame protects the worker from injury with ergonomic lifting and reduces damage to the motor and fan. To ensure longevity, the steel tubular welded frame is polyester powder coated, which reduces surface rust, chipping, flaking, and peeling. Another feature to ensure long-term performance is the durable conductive polyethylene fan housing that removes static electricity. It also gives resistance to dents, rusting, as well as protection from a variety of chemicals. On the performance specification label, you will find estimated CFM output, certifications, and approvals. Explosion-proof blowers are wired with a heavy-duty power cord without a plug. Contact Air Systems for plug options. Here's a tip for you. Explosion-proof plugs need to be wired per NEC requirements. To protect your worker and blower in a dusty environment, use a standard or HEPA pre-filter. To enhance versatility and safety, add an inline accessory to your confined space ventilation system. Ducting too short? Use a duct-to-duct connector. Use a saddle vent with any blower to increase productivity. The saddle vent allows continuous ventilation without ducting removal when entering or exiting a confined space area. If you need a reliable blower and want the convenience of a saddle vent, save time and money, buy a kit. Should you have a unique situation, customization's available. Technical representatives are ready to offer you confined space solutions. Let us recommend a blower for your confined space. Become OSHA compliant and keep safety first. Still have questions? Contact us.